This is Yaro, and today I would like to show you how to translate your content into multiple languages just in 1 minute. So first of all, I'm going to use DocGPT for Sheets plugin. I will left the link to this add-on at the description of this video. Click on install. So first of all, we need to install the plugin. Click on install button, select account, continue, allow. Cool. So after that, we need to open a Google Sheet document. All right, and need to execute the add-on. To do this, click Extensions, GPT for Sheets, Docs, Forms, Slides, and click Launch button. Cool. We have installed the add-on and executed. All right, so now I need a content that I'm going to translate. I will copy this comment from Product Hunt for this demo. All right, content. Let's remove it. Maker, blah, blah. All right, English. All right, let's generate list of languages. To do this, I'm going to use this function to generate a list of languages. All right, click on replace selected to replace the function with actual text. Cool. Remove English. All right, remove the row. All right, so to do this, I'm going to use GPT TRANSLATE function. Pull down original content. Let's copy GPT TRANSLATE function, insert that, and let's change the values with the cells. Source will be C3 and target language A3, and click enter. Amazing. We have translated into Chinese. Let's apply this function to other languages. To do this, just pull down this cell and it will automatically translate into other languages. Awesome. It has translated into target languages. Let's look through them. Looks like correct. It also left the emojis as it was in original text and formatting. All right, so when we got the expected result with GPT, we need to replace the formula with actual result. To do this, you can use two buttons, or replace all GPTs or replace selected one. Replace all GPTs will replace all GPT functions with the actual text, and replace selected one will replace only the selected cell. Let's use replace selected. All right, it has replaced the formula with actual result. Now you can use this result for your other transformations. Thank you for watching.